Over the last decade, molecular diagnostics has grown exponentially to support a range of applications, including infectious diseases, pharmacogenomics, and oncology. Growth in this field is driven by advances in technology, proven clinical utility, and the quality and accuracy of diagnostic assays. Enzymes, reagents, and master mixes are the basic tools of molecular diagnostics, and each one can be optimized to ensure the quality and accuracy of diagnostic solutions. Depending on the end application, every assay has its own unique set of performance and quality requirements that ready-to-use reagents can't always address. Molecular diagnostic assays require enzymes and reagents manufactured under stringent quality systems, along with unique product QC and certifications. At Fortis, we know what it takes to succeed. We offer expertise in the design, development, and manufacturing of high-quality custom enzymes, custom master mix formulations, and complete assay solutions. We deliver tailored custom kits, and for a whole host of applications, including PCR applications, next-generation sequencing, editing and diagnostics, and sample processing. Our custom solutions are tailored to your specific application, increasing the reliability, accuracy, and economy of an assay, while ensuring that quality assurance standards are met. At Fortis, we offer more than just an assay development solution. We offer scientist-to-scientist collaboration throughout your entire project. Our products are developed and produced in FDA-registered, ISO-certified manufacturing facilities, from early-stage development through to manufacturing scale-up. We will custom formulate any enzyme or master mix to be lyo or air dry ready. All products are certified, fit for purpose, and ready to scale up and manufacture at commercial volumes. We strive to take a collaborative approach, which enables our customers to enter custom product development at multiple points. The custom product development cycle begins with a consultation with our expert scientists to better understand your requirements. As our team design, develop, and optimize your custom solution, all specifications are entered into our quality management system, in parallel throughout the process. This helps to mitigate project risks while preparing for scale-up and meeting the required specifications. Data sharing and material transfer are done collectively, which allows for feedback to be shared with the team and adjustments to be made for specific requirements throughout the entire project. Our iterative process ensures that a product is created that meets every one of your needs and specifications. Ready to develop a molecular diagnostic assay that works to your exact specifications? Visit fortislife.com to speak to our experts.